Turn the page, live your life every day. Don't let anybody stand in your way.
Alrighty, there's the star of today's show. That is Spam. Well, just like a model, we're just showing it off. It's a killer Spam sandwich with some sourdough bread, lots of mustard. We're gonna melt the cheese over the Spam. This is Havarti with lots of fresh lettuce. Mike Foster here, how you doing? It's another Spam sandwich. I've made Spam sandwiches, but this one, if you're craving that buttery mustard taste on toast with fried Spam and a melted cheese, this is the one to get a little crunch from the lettuce. Well, don't talk about it. Let's put this baby together. We'll start frying up that Spam and toasting that toast. All right, we're gonna put a little olive oil in, even though the Spam is greasy. We don't want it to stick. And I've got 3 pieces of Spam. Eeny, meeny, miny, well. Let's cook those up. This is on a little more than medium. All right, let's see how you guys are doing. Let's play the shell game here. Where's the shell hidden under the Spam? All right, getting a little snappy, which is good. That side's done. Let's try this one. Me likey. And don't forget Baba. There you go. All right, here's the cheese. It's snappy. All right. That sounds good. We're gonna melt this cheese, and when that toast is ready, we'll put this sandwich together. The toast is ready, as you can hear it. Butter this side, butter this side. Now mustard. This is a very mustardy sandwich. Oh, that's making noises. And it's a very simple sandwich. Lots of mustard. Here's 2 of those slices of Spam, because I couldn't get them all on my spatula. And here's the 3rd one. Hearty! A little more mustard here. Why? All right, the lettuce. Pile it on. Pile that baby on. This is a nice mixed green. Use whatever lettuce you want, but this one works. Flip the lid. Oh, look at the size of that baby. Press-a-roo. Comes the old slice-a-roo. Really fast. And here's the Spam reveal. Look at that. There's the close-up. Let's have that big bite now. There's that baby again. I can't wait to dig in. Check it out. Let's see if this bite does. You can see all the Spam in there. Ah. Very mustardy. That's the key. And the Spam is nice and savory. Nice healthy crunch from that salad. There's more mustard. The cheese is creamy. Try this one. Try some Spam sandwiches. I got a bunch of Spam recipes. Check out all my videos at Live Life 365 at my socials. Till next time. Peace.
Live life 365.
Baba. Not my problem. Your problem. I'm not kidding. That's the baby. That picture doesn't do it justice. I think I got mustard attacked. Is this my bone? One of the problems, I even have a beautiful house that's, look at it, look at this house. It's gorgeous. Stuff to deal with neighbors. And unfortunately, Baba.